A to Z all shortcut keys. Ctrl+A selects all items or text in the active window. Ctrl+B bolds selected text. Ctrl+C copies the selected item or text. Ctrl+D opens the font settings or bookmark an item context dependent. Ctrl+A centers the text in a word processor or text editor. Ctrl+F opens the Find dialog box. Ctrl+G opens the Go to dialog box. Ctrl+H opens the Replace dialog box. Ctrl+I italicizes selected text. Ctrl+J justifies the text in a word processor or text editor. Ctrl+K creates a hyperlink in some applications. Ctrl+L left aligns the text. Ctrl+M indents the text in some applications. Ctrl+N opens a new document or window. Ctrl+O opens an existing document or file. Ctrl+P prints the document. Ctrl+Q quits or closes an application in some applications. Ctrl+R right aligns the text. Ctrl+S saves the current document. Ctrl+T opens a new tab in web browser. Ctrl+U underlines selected text. Ctrl+V pastes the copied item or text. Ctrl+W closes the current window or tab. Ctrl+X cuts the selected item or text. Ctrl+Y redo the last undone action. Ctrl+Z undo the last action.